And welcome you once again in this new session of history. And today's topic is about the life of the man through the Stone Age. It is believed that the modern human being is has appeared about 1,20,000 years ago, and the continent of Africa was cited as the home of the early species. Main ages of the past mankind are divided into four parts: Stone Age, Copper Age, Bronze Age, and Iron Age. Stone Age from 5 lakh BCE to 4000 BCE, Copper Age 4000 to 3000 BCE, Bronze Age from 3000 to 200 BCE, and Iron Age is about 1500 BCE onward. The Stone Age is the longest age, and it started about 5 lakh BCE and it ended in a 4000 BCE. And this Stone Age is divided in three parts. The parts are Paleolithic age, means old on Stone Age. Paleo means old and lithic means stone. Old on Stone Age 5 lakh BC to 10,000 BCE. Mesolithic, meso means middle, lithic means stone, that means middle Stone Age 10,000 BC to 8,000 BCE, and Neolithic means new Stone Age 8,000 BCE to 4,000 BCE. Now, Paleolithic age. In the Paleolithic age, the man used to live a hunter-gathering life. Hunter-gathering life means a person who obtained fruit from edible plants and hunting animals. And they never live in one place. They move from one place to another in searching of the foods. They live the nomadic life. They used to live in a caves or on the branches of the trees, and when they finish the food in one place, they move to another place to find their foods and edible. This is the map where you can see about the Paleolithic sites, Mesolithic sites, Neolithic sites, Chalcolithic sites, early villages, and modern cities. Stones and vapors during the Paleolithic age were the macrolith. Macro means a large and lithos means stones. The stones were very large type of the stones they used to, like the basalt, sandstone, wood, bone, shells, antlers were used to making the tools, and also they used the stones for making choppers, scrapers, hand axes, and see the macrolith stones, a huge stones, and these were found in Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh, Bori in Maharashtra, Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh, Bhimketka in Madhya Pradesh, and the valleys of Tungabhadra, Narmada, and Godavari rivers. Their lifestyles, as I told you earlier, it's a nomadic lifestyles. They never stay in one place. His food consists of the wild fruits, nuts, berries, and they eat raw flesh of the wild animals, birds. The Paleolithic men wear the tree barks. Their dresses were of the tree barks, and their recreation was the petroglyph. Now, what is petroglyph? See here. It has been found in a Bhimketa, Madhya Pradesh. It's a they used to make this art, a drawing of the animals for their recreation. Then they discovered the fire, and when they discovered the fire, their life changed. The discovery of the fire is considered as most of the important event in the old Stone Age. While making the tools, it has been said that by making the uh, tools, two stones were produced. They produced the spark of the fire, and then accidentally the fire discovered. It gave them the warmth. So now men started to living in a place where they get the fire for the safety, and they started to cook. Now the time changed to the Mesolithic period. It's a middle age period. It is between the Neolithic age and a middle age where the people of that time started to living in a group. They started to rearing the animals. They changed their lifestyle. They upgraded their tools. See their tools. It's their tools. In the Mesolithic period, the tools were upgraded in a microlith, and the micro means small, lith means stone. So small tools of the small stones tools were made like spears, saws, arrows, and knives. Then the Neolithic age starts. It was the progress of agriculture. Various types of crops were now irrigated like wheat, barley, rice, pulses, millets, and in India, the remains of the Neolithic age were found in Chirhan, Bihar, the horse gram at Teklakota, Karnataka. In this period, people started to domesticate the animals. Animals were domesticated here, like pigs, sheep, goats, horses, donkeys, and cattle. So the Neolithic man began to rearing the animals and to ensure a regular supply of milk and meat, because they drink the milk and they used to eat the meat, and also the skins covered their bodies. When they started the agriculture, it felt a great impact on the man's life. They started to living in one place. They make a society. They form the first village. The first ever village was formed in Neolithic age. Also, the tools were modified, and these tools were we found in Jhansi, Karnataka, and Adi Channalore in Tamil Nadu. In this period, the one of the great invention was the wheel, and the wheel totally changed the life of the human beings. They started to make pottery. These were the pots to used to keep the grains there. Some of the potteries of those times we have found in Turkey also. As now human beings starts to live in a society, their social life also changed. They are now living in a village by making the groups of huts. Now they also start a trading, a business also start now. The surplus of the food in the form of grains, milk, and livestock also led to start of trade. However, the early man did not sell the surplus food in exchange of cash. Instead of, he exchanged the food, milk, and livestock, and that was known as a barter trade or a barter system. Barter system means to exchange the good with the goods, exchange the product with the product. And their religious belief was that they believe in the sun, earth, moon, sky, water, fire, and trees. They don't worship the god and goddesses or the images. They used to worship the sun, earth, moon, sky, water, fire, and trees. In that time, a metal was discovered, and that period was known as the Chalcolithic Age. The first ever metal was discovered, it was the copper. Copper, so it is known as a copper stone age also. The word chalcolithic is made of the Greek words. It means chalkos. Chalkos means copper and lithos means stone. So it is also known as a copper stone age. In India, chalcolithic stone tools have been excavated from the Gangetic basin of Chota Nagpur plateau. Then the Bronze Age. Another development was the bronze. When the man of the Chalcolithic age succeeded in making the bronze, he entered the Bronze Age, and this starts from 3000 BCE to 2000 BCE. The Bronze Age is believed to have started in the area that lied in the present day Turkey. It is believed that an area was there near the Turkey where Bronze Age started. In these areas also emerged early human civilization. In the Bronze Age, man was able to make more durable tools, vessels, and weapons. The Indian Bronze Age starts from 3000 BCE in the Indus Valley civilization. In India, bronze implements have been discovered at Navadotali. The area where it has been found, it's the Navdatoli of the bank of Narmada and Brahmagiri near Mysore. The Bronze Age was followed by the Iron Age. So in this chapter we have read about the Stone Age. The three parts of the Stone Age were the Paleolithic Age, Mesolithic Age and the Neolithic Age. Chalcolithic Age was the Copper Age and then the Bronze Age. So that's all for today's session. I hope you have understand about the lifestyle of the man during the Stone Age. We will once again meet in our next session with a new chapter, with a new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.